Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got the Hero Collector Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto-1 and we are on issue 5. Okay, so issue 5, there's not a lot to do in this one. We are going to be doing the starting the Gearbox. Let's take a look at this. So inside the magazine, this is what we're doing just here. This little steps just here. We can flick to the build page. All we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a few little pieces like this one, screwing it onto here and adding these little details onto here, combining them two together and then adding our actual gearbox assembly to it. So as I said, not a lot to do in this issue. Should be a quite quick and easy one. So yeah, let's get building. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to be starting off with this piece here. It is metal and it is coated in this lovely blue paint, as you can see here. And basically all we're going to be doing is we're going to be fitting this little connector onto here via 2 DM screws on the back. So let's flip it over, get some DM screws ready, and we've got to line up the holes as we flip it over. So we've got to get one lined up. I've got one lined up, so I'll get that one just in just to get them started. And we'll get the second one loaded on the screwdriver and we'll get it locked in. And tighten this one up, just like that. And that's what you should have now with this piece on, just like that. So next we're going to be bringing in this piece here. This piece is also metal, and this piece here. All we're going to be doing is you flip this piece over. We've got 2 ports here, one here and one here, and a little hole just here. We'll slide this through, line up the 2 holes on the back, and we're going to be putting DM screws in the back of that. Let's get the first one in, get it locked into position. That's the first one. And now the second one. Just like that. And that's what you should have after those steps. Now we're going to be combining the 2 pieces. So you want to have this way with this facing this way. And then you're going to just, all you're going to do is drop that straight in there. And that's our holes all lined up. I'm going to be securing this together with EM screws. So let's get some EM screws. We need 3 of them for this part. One's going to go straight in the top here. One down here. And the last one in the last remaining hole just to the side here. Let's turn that round. Just like that. And this is basically the bell housing complete. So all we've got left now is these 2 sections here. We want the ones with the actual screw ports inside them. It's very hard to see. I'll turn it that way with the 2 bits here, and one hasn't got it. So we're going to use this one first. What we're going to do, we're going to have this way, and this is going to go just onto here. We're going to secure this onto that housing that we just put with the little tab that we just put. This is going to go on with a DM screw. So get our DM screw, and that's going right in there. So you have to hold the part and try and screw them together. So get that back on the screwdriver, and we'll screw that together. So you end up with something that looks a little like that. So next we've got to bring in this part here. We've got to add that onto it. So you want to keep it going the same way, and we need 2 more EM screws, one in each of these holes here. So let's grab some more EM screws and screw it down. one in. And the last screw for this bit. Just like that. And then all that's left to do is to take this last part here, which is plastic, and we've got to put that on the top. So we've got to line up the hole on the top, just like that. And there's an EM screw going just down the top, just down there. So we'll get this in. Just like that. And that is our gearbox now complete. Looking very nice, I'm sure you'll agree. So that's issue 5, the gearbox complete. Join me again tomorrow when we'll have issue 6 up. Until then, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, and I'll see you later.